between all the body work that I've been doing and the painting on the Nova, in between all those sessions where I had to work on the Nova, I have been doing little by little on this engine. This is the original 454 big block that was in the Nova when I bought the car, and if you've seen the videos, it was really nasty. Well, this engine has been given a really extensive makeover, and now looks like a brand new engine. So I'll give you a little bit of a walk around on the engine. It has propane motor mounts, chrome oil pan. The headers, they're Hedman headers. They were on the Nova when I got the engine. What I did was I worked them over and did a refinishing. They have silver ceramic coating on it. It has SL wires. It has a wire divider that I really like. It's polished aluminum. Brand new chrome valve covers. There's a new water pump, new pulleys. The fan is the one that was on the Nova when I got it. Just walk around, show you. And what I did was I polished out the fan blades, both sides, the back and the front, and I gave it a nice coat of red paint. Now the red paint that's on the engine is caliper paint, 900 degree caliper paint. I like this paint because it's highly resistant to oil and all the other stuff that might go on the engine. I've used it before with great success for many years. So the silver, the heads, they're the 454 heads. I just painted them with silver caliper paint, so that'll make it look really nice. It has an Edelbrock intake manifold and an Edelbrock 750 CFM car. So that's the engine right there. See if I can get to see what the engine is going to look like when it gets in the car. So there's the engine. Really nice. And then I'll show you the Nova. There's the Nova. Now you see the drive shaft there. It's ready to be installed. It's been epoxy coated, and it has all new brakes, brake lines, 8-inch dual booster, and of course the correct big block motor mounts. And this was these motor mounts fit the 1970 Chevy Nova, so that's what I bought it as. 1970 Chevy Nova, and also for Camaros. And this raises the engine slightly so that headers kind of bypass the power steering pump. So I'm hoping that it will do that when I put the engine in. So there's the front, that's where the engine's going to go in. And then the transmission is over here. The transmission is black. It's upside down right now because I was installing the filter. But you can see it's a black transmission. And that oil pan I'm going to change. I don't want that oil pan. I'm going to be installing this oil pan instead. And because it has that oil drain, I prefer it to have an oil drain because it's a big PETA to change the filter out. You have to take all those bolts out and let all that oil splash all over you, or make a mess in the pavement. So there's the engine. One last look of it. Hope you like it. Been redone. Can't wait to get it in the car. There it is.